So today our RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das came out and increased the interest rate by 50 basis points, right? And this was already factored into, everybody was knowing what is going to happen, and that's why you can see last 2 days of I think today we had a good India VIX dropping by more than 1% or 1.6%. In fact, we did a straddle today morning and we made good profit because Nifty never moved, right? Nifty and Bank Nifty never moved. Nifty hardly moved, maybe 100. Low was around 17,400. 400 and high was around 17,000. Yeah, if you see this chart, from open to low it was going zigzag only. Low was around 17,348 and high was around 17,464. Barely 100 points move, and even Bank Nifty was also the same scenario, right? Now this should have happened yesterday, right? Now if then you will ask me, if everything is very simple and everything is very that easy, then everyone will make money, right? Yeah, that's what these FIIs are also thinking. They don't want the retailers to make money, and this SEBI or RBI, they don't want the retailers to make money. They're always pushing retailers out. Already 90% of the people who came around March 2020 or when there was corona issue, 90 to 95% of the people had already exited. Whoever are in the market are maybe old people who are not old people in the sense, people who are trading pre-COVID times, okay? Maybe very less people who are trading post-COVID, right? Now, everything has been factored in. Now everybody was talking China, Taiwan, nothing is happening. US is all in the green. Yesterday US was in the green, Europe is in the green. Now it is flat. Dow Jones and Europe market is, I think it's flat. Yeah, it is flat. That could be for some or other reason. Dow Jones is up by 206 points. S&P and Nasdaq is down. Nasdaq is down by 1.3%. We really don't know what is going to happen tonight. We'll have to wait and see the price action tonight, right? And S&P VIX is increasing. It's up by 2.72%, and even SGX Nifty is flat. Europe is also green, right? Now what is going to happen next? Right now everybody was talking RBI interest rate, that and this, China, nothing is going to happen, right? Maybe China, Taiwan, I think it's not going to, China-Taiwan issue is not going to be as bad as Russia-Ukraine issue, right? Already this, our father of all, US, wherever in the world problem comes, these US buggers come and put their nose inside as if it is their own problem. Bullshit. What, I don't know what this guy's US is thinking, and why our people have to follow US. That is also a big problem. Bullshit. I don't like these US guys. Really, honestly speaking, I don't like this US people and all. US politics, US thing, everything is bullshit. They come and do whatever they want and nobody can ask question. That is how they treat people, like, right? Anyway, that is a different story. We'll talk about that later. Now what is going to happen? Maybe tomorrow or next week. Now maybe I'm thinking, I told yesterday 17,500 is going to be very hard to take, and day before yesterday also told 17,500 is going to be hard to be taken. Day before yesterday market gapped up. I think from 17,350 levels it gapped up to 17,425. It went, high was around 17,480 and low was around 17,150. 17,500, 17,150 is the low, right? Now maybe things have been factored into, all things are finished. Now market wants news either to move on the upside or downside. Now what is the news you have? Any positive news you have? I don't think so. Whatever news we had is being factored into. So the probability of market going higher is very, very high. For the last 3 days, it has been trying to close above 17,500. It was not able to go above 17,500. If you see, if you change your candlestick, if you change your chart to a date chart, you might notice that 3 days of doji pattern is happening. Let me show you. So if I change my chart, yeah, if I change my chart, let me go to the chart. Yeah, if this is a Nifty chart, right? So if you change this to 5 minutes, daily chart, okay? 1 second, yeah. Yeah, this is the daily chart. If you see this daily chart, 3 days of undecisiveness. Okay, they really don't know what to do for the last 3 days. You can see first day, this is on 2nd of August, this is on 4th of August, and this is today. They have been there is a doji pattern in spite of FIIs buying. Today also I think FIIs have bought aggressively. They have bought for 1605 crores and DIs have sold for 500 crores. In spite of FIIs doing like this, there is undecisiveness in the market. If at all, if it retraces, maybe okay, I think I will change this is Bank Nifty. I will also see Nifty. Nifty is also going to show you the same. See, 3 days of doji pattern. Actually it's 4 days of doji pattern. So there is no momentum, upside momentum. Market is not there is no upside momentum. There is no buying interest for the markets to go up. So probably the market may retrace and may come to 16,800 levels. That's what I believe. If the market really has to go up, we need a positive momentum which is missing in the market. And that's why if you see the open interest also from today morning, in spite of market moving higher and higher, each time it got higher and higher, 17,500 call option was being written aggressively. Today alone, around 32 lakhs of 17,500 call option has been written, and 17,600 call option, around 36 lakhs, 17,600 call option has been written on top of already existing 1 crore 20 lakh call options at 17,500, and even people are writing 17,400, right? And when it comes to Bank Nifty is also going to be the same story. People are writing 38,000, around 1 crore, not 1 crore, sorry, 10 lakh, around 11 lakh, 38,000 call option has been written on top of existing 27 lakh call options already existing. Today they have again increased by 50%, around 10 lakh, 11 lakh open interest is being written at 38,000, right? So you decide whether you want to go long in the market or whether you want to go short in the market. Now I would tell you, if Nifty crosses above 17,500 and sustains above 17,500, maybe you can sell call put option. But if you don't know, if you don't want to take risk, just wait, let it cross above 17,500. If it does cross above 17,500, then you can go long in the market. Otherwise, it is a market to short. Now everybody is talking now, 10-year bond yield is decreased, oil prices have come down, that and this. I agree, not this thing. But there will be some retracement. Now already Bank Nifty and Nifty has rallied too much. From where? For the last 6 or 7 trading session, from 16,700 we have come all the way to 17,500. Low was around 16,800, high is around 17,500. So around 700 points rally in just 5 trading sessions. That's an excellent rally. You don't expect the market to keep on moving like this, move upside, right? There has to be little retracement, and that is going to happen. I'm not saying market is bearish. It is consolidating in a huge range from 15,200 to 18,000 for the last 6 months. So if you see this chart itself, you can understand from 15,000 to 18,000, it has been range bound. It has been consolidating in a very huge range. This is the consolidation. Now, for the last 5 trading session, it has come from 16,800 to 17,500, a rally of more than 700 or 800 points. So here you will find a retracement. So that's what I am trying to say. I am not saying I am bearish or I am bullish. Okay. Now, many people ask, in spite of telling all these things, why you are making losses or that and this, right? Because of the big issue is before. There were heavy gap ups, gap down. We saw 400 points, 500 points gap up and gap down was happening. Now what is happening is swinging. like we see 300 400 points in on a expiry day. Only problem where we where we face problem is on expiry day. That is where all the problem is happening. So we have done something else. Let's see how things pan out. I think I have summarized everything. Let's see tomorrow what happens. I mean Monday what happens. Tuesday is a holiday, trading holiday due to Muharram. And this month August series have just 15 trading session. So there will be good amount of theta decay. You can do short straddles or non-directional strategies, right? I hope I have summarized all whatever I have. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.